Well, I said I'd be back, and I was going to show you the chicken when I put it on. So here's a little look. I just put it on. That's what it looks like. So now we're smoking it. The smoke's coming out the chimney. Looking at my temperatures is pretty close. So that's going to be the next struggle all day long, is working on that temperature, keeping it in the right temperature. And that's what you get on a offset smoker. It's lots of fun and lots of playing around with the fire. So I'll check back in and show you in a little while how I'm making out. Enjoy the day.